Ndewo no, aha m bụ Maazị Onyedika. Abụ m onye Abagana nke dị na Anambra State. I'm a software developer, and over the years, I have had the privilege of working with the banking, fintech, and mobility industry, building digital platforms that help people solve real problems. But today, I want to talk about something much more personal to me, something that concerns our identity as Igbos. Igbo amaka o, but it's very, very painful to watch what is happening. Many of our children cannot speak Igbo today, and some cannot even introduce themselves in Igbo. And when they visit home, they cannot even communicate with their grandma, grandpa in simple Igbo language. They just sit down there smiling, and they do not understand anything about the language of their roots. And for many of us parents, it hurts so much, because Igbo is not just a language. It is our identity, it is our culture, and it's our history. It is the elephant in the room. In fact, it is that large elephant that is about to go into extinction. Because when a child loses a language, he slowly loses the connection to where he came from. And many parents used to tell me, Afam, which is my name, I want my child to learn Igbo, but I don't know where to start from. And that's exactly why we created igboclass.com, a learning platform designed to make it easy and enjoyable for anyone, anywhere to learn Igbo language. We have experienced teachers who understand how to make the learning engaging, interactive, and fun. Because learning Igbo should not feel like punishment. It should feel like one discovering itself. And our learning system is very simple. Once you register for a term, you will get access to our online learning platform. We also simplify the process in learning by organizing live classes using Google Meet and Zoom, where teachers come online to make sure that our students are learning Igbo the fun way. And the class holds every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. We make it so dynamic that your child does not need to come for those 4 days, but at least 2 out of 4 days is very okay for the learning. Each class has about 1 hour, 30 minutes for that section. During this section, our teachers guide students on how to utilize the platform, also explain those lessons to them, answer questions, and above all, make the lesson interactive and enjoyable. Within the first 3 months, a student with zero knowledge can comfortably introduce him or herself, understand basic conversations, and gradually, as he keeps learning, becomes confident in speaking Igbo language. Now you may be thinking, let me see how it works first. This is perfectly okay, and that's why we created 5 days free trial for you, which you can start today. If you want more time, you can extend it to another 7 days for a token of 4,000 naira. But the full learning experience, including teachers' guidance, exams, and progress tracking, comes with the paid classes. Getting started is very easy. Simply visit www.igboclass.com, or you message us on WhatsApp using the number showing on the screen, and we'll guide you through the payment process and starting your class immediately. Always make sure you give us a call to confirm before making any payments. And after making payments, we add you to our platform and the learning starts. One thing I tell parents is this: do not postpone culture, because every year we wait, our children grows further away from the language. Start today, let your children understand, and not only understanding, but speak their mother tongue and connect to the language of their roots. And above all, let them beat their chests and proudly say, Abụ m onye Igbo. Abụ m onye Igbo. Ana m asụ Igbo. Daalụ nke ukwuu. Amen.